Yeah. Pine Tree Trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle. Market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, tell the doubt disappeared. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex Trader 5, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5. Keep it lucid, we out.
Yo, what's happening? It's popping. What's popping? Keep it lucid. That's right. Hey Sherry, what's up? What's up, what's up? What's up, everyone? Good to see everyone. Hope everyone had a good day. My day was not bad, but not great. I'll talk about it. Who we got in the house? Real Robot, what is up? Disciplined futures trader, what's going on? Dad trading stonks. It's Mo, bro. Foff in the house. I know who that is. What's going on? Lay, what's up? Sherry, Bear Trader, Patch Trader, Daryl in the house. Aiden, how's the accounts? Looking good so far. Yeah, so the unfortunate part is that my funded futures, my pro account, I was up just over $2,000 today. I ended up giving it back to break even, which is not crazy. So still up around $9,000. The Lucid account still intact. I knocked a little base hit out of the Lucids post payout, so we're good there. And then I worked on a take profit trader account and won. I had one 150K I actually got today. I worked on that and hit exactly 50% consistency, $4,500, which is a win right there when you hit exactly the amount you need, which is kind of funny. D Mitch in the house, Dad Trading Stocks, watching at the doctor's office. I hope I get home in time for the giveaway. Oh, hope everything. Oh, daughter's doctor's office. Okay, cool. Hope everything's good. Zest for a living. Offrey in the house. Yeah, we're gonna do some. Vivian, we're gonna do some giveaways tonight. So, Pine, used your code for Lucid. Hope it helps. Awesome. Yes, definitely helps, Vivian. Thank you so much for the help supporting the channel. Really, really appreciate that. You can use anyone's code, but I really appreciate using mine. What's the longest period you've been unprofitable? The longest? 3 years. 3 years. Jake Sunrise, what's up? 3.5 years, probably. Jesus, what's going on? Hey, what's up, Jack Boone? In the house. So yeah, a little post payout. Lucid got a little nice little jump on it. Post payout. Any giveaways today? Only if you guys smash the like button. But yeah, I'm planning on it. So let's take a look at the funded Lucids here real quick. I just locked in a day's traded. That's pretty much what I tried to do to the post payout. Took out $4,000 yesterday. And little base hit 153, 153, 153. Copy traded those accounts. Got another day's traded in. Accounts sitting at 26,742. So yeah, just right around 1,100, 1,200 bucks above the buffer. So all I really got to do is lock in another 4 days of $100 or more to take out another payout. So that's what I'm going to try to do. How hard can it be? Take a look at the calendar here. You can see new month. This is June here. So first day, this is what I kind of try to tell you guys on the flex accounts. It's nice to get up over the buffer on day one, and then you can just kind of kick the can, look for your $100 over and over and over again. And that's what I'm trying to do. So that's the Lucid. And My Funny Futures, it's still alive, but yeah, I gave back some money. So here's the My Funny Futures Pro account, still sitting right at $9,394 in profit. But yeah, it took some hits. Yeah, so right around break even, $78 loss. I say break even because I was up $2,000 and then I was down about $2,000 and then I was up back up to right around, closed the day out right around 78. Thankfully I caught a lot of the drop at the end of the day. That just kind of saved my accounts. I shouldn't have been trading the accounts anyway. It was so stupid. What's up, Kingdom Operations in the house? Michelle, what's up? Jesus, what's going on? How did everyone else do? How'd you guys do today? Tony Gold, what's up? Guys, do me a favor, smash that like button. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Had a great first day of the month. Oh, let's go. Foe. Let's go. Lost 2 of my evals. Not bad. Down 1%. Very good day, Jason. Kingdom Operations, thank you so much. I had a good yeah, it was a good day. Yeah, it was funny. I did that hour-and-a-half stream this morning on My Funny Futures TV. which was a lot of fun, and then ended up going to a late breakfast after. So I went to a late breakfast, had a nice little meal, came back, and decided I decided to push the button, which was kind of costly. But the goal is, so the goal with my MyFunded Futures Pro account for me is to try to get a live account with more than just like $2,000, $3,000, or even $1,000 of drawdown. So that's the goal on the pro account. That's why I've been trying to build it up even bigger and bigger and bigger, because I want to go live with MyFunded Futures. I think partially because I'm on the show, but and then, you know, so I've been trading that account pretty aggressively, and it's burned me a few times. So where I had that account up to $30,000, and ever since then, I kind of been tilty a little bit. I just keep over trading that account. So I just need to leave that account alone, really. I mean, the fact that I have to wait for this live stream every midnight, Titan. Yeah, you gotta move. You gotta move. I got a spare room. You can move in with me. We can do a stream together. Let's go. Yeah, it's just evening for me. It's like 6 o'clock Eastern time. Supper time. That's what it is. Supper time. Always wrenching in the house. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. What's up, Turg? What's going on? Good to see everyone hanging out. Yo, Investors in the house. What's up? How we doing? We're doing well. Thank you so much. Yeah, just a little disappointed that I gave back that money, but it is what it is. I mean, it could have turned into 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. You don't stream in the morning? I stream for MyFunded Futures TV in the morning, Lynn. MyFunded Futures TV. What? Investors should be able to withdraw my first ever take profit trader payout tonight at some point. Let's go. Smash the confetti for Investors. Nomadic Trades in the house. What's going on, Gary? Congratulations on that take profit trader payout. Those daily payouts to take profit trader just hit different. So quite an accomplishment there. Congratulations. I'm going to be working on those myself this month. Get some more of my this is my #1 goal this month, is get some take profit traders above the buffer. So I'm gonna stop at nothing to get them back, get those daily payouts. What's up, Traders Nest in the house? Market's gonna open up here. Good luck, everyone. How exactly does it work? Yeah, I'll get right back to that. Ooh, little gap up. Interesting. So I'm slinging around this eval here. A little gap up. I don't think this is gonna hold much, but we'll see. All right, a little risky here. Ooh, my whole platform just froze there. I don't like these little gap ups, so I'm just short off this little gap. On this eval here. Usually these don't hold very well, so it's tough to try to time it though. There we go. Get that little push down. Oh, really? Missed me by a tick there? Oh, come on, man. 2 ticks. There we go. Nice little start, 465. Good night, everyone. See you later. Mic drop. Vacation starting early. So that's just a little something eval play that I like to try to do sometimes. You get a little gap up. I'm not talking about big gaps. You get big gaps like 50 points, 100 points. That's the real deal. You start getting those little gaps of like 10 points, 15 points, something like that. They usually don't like to hold. you know. Oh yeah, InvestStar. So how it works is Take Profit Trader. This is how it works. So if you what kind of account do you have? Do you have a 50K, 150K? So if you have a 50K account and oh, unprofitable wills, wow. A 150K? So yeah, so if you have a 150K, if you have $4,500 or anything over 4,500, you can withdraw into your virtual wallet. So right around after the stream ends, which is usually right around 8 o'clock Eastern time, the Take Profit Trader dashboard will update, and then you'll see a withdrawal button under your pro account. So it'd be a little withdrawal button. I think it's yellow, and then you just click that, and then you can make the withdrawal. So anything over 4,500 bucks, and then as long as it's above 250 when it's in your virtual wallet, you can withdraw that into your bank account, or you can buy accounts, whatever you want to do it once it goes into your virtual wallet. And it usually takes, where it's your first payout, I don't know how long it's going to take, but right now, Take Profit Trader has been pretty quick. Hour, 2 hours, something like that. 3 hours. It's a little spotty, but 9 times out of 10, I get approved before the next morning. So, but congratulations on that payout. Unprofitable Wiz. For the first time in my career, I had 5 150K Pro TPT Pros accounts over the buffer, and it is a life-changing experience. I just lost them after taking $15,000 in payouts in 2 weeks. Yeah, I hear you. I hope that you did not tilt and go and reset those. I hope. Not financial advice. I can't tell you what to do, but yeah, I just hope you didn't. But congratulations on the 15,000. That is an accomplishment. And I truly believe that you'll be right back to it. And you don't need to get back to it right all at once. You can just take your time, get back to it, knowing that you got $15,000 in payouts, and reinvest some back in, 150 bucks, whatever they are, as far as the evaluations, and keep working on those evaluations, and you'll have 5 again back over the buffer. It is a very, very difficult when you have those accounts over the buffer and then you lose them. There's nothing that sends me on tilt more than when you're consistently getting daily payouts and then smashing those accounts. So keep your head up. 15,000 is not, it's not easy to do. So 15 grand, especially on daily payouts. And I think Take Profit Trader, even though they are one of the best, I think that it's one of the most difficult prop firms to trade, because when you're over the buffer on those accounts, it really feels like real money, because you know that, like, oh, if I make $200 or $300 on this trade when I'm over the buffer, then you can withdraw it at the end of the day. So it is that real feel. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, keep your head up. HR in the house. Yeah, no problem, InvestStars. Congratulations on that Take Profit Trader payout. What's up, Coach Fred? Yeah, I lost them because I wanted to size up like an idiot. But no, I didn't reset them. I did reset one 25K Pro right after due to tilt, though. Yeah, that's what happens to me on Profitable Wiz, is they will send me on tilt. And you sounds like you were in the same boat, where you kind of got tilted after losing the account. So, all right, just currently took one trade there for the gap fill, good, up 465. Got to get this account up to $9,000 to pass. I'll probably work on some 50Ks too, kind of mix them up a little bit. I do like the 25Ks and the 50Ks. 25K is not too bad to reset, right? It's 450 bucks. It's not horrible. It's essentially buying a direct to funded 50K with most of the other prop firms. So a 25K take profit trader reset is not horrible, but $1,500 for the 150Ks can hurt for sure. So now we raised the pump of the yesterday. I don't get why we even pumped so much Tuesday. Yeah, I don't know. This is a funny market where it's a holiday week and we have non-farm payroll tomorrow. So it's kind of a funny week. So on the 150Ks, it's 9,000 on the eval. Once funded is 4.5. Yep, Astro Trader. So yeah, you get over. So once you get to 4,500, that's when the drawdown stops, and then anything you make over that, you can take a daily payout on. And the advantage of the 150K is that it leaves you with a lot of drawdown once you take the payout. Whereas, like, let's just say you have a 50K account, you can withdraw anything over $2,000, but you only have that $2,000 drawdown. Which usually isn't an issue if you're trading fairly reasonable, but $2,000 drawdown, even in this market can go by real quick if you're trading minis. If you're trading minis, some of these 5-minute candles were over 100 something points. You get caught in one bad one without a good risk management, and goodbye account. Kabooshed on your account, right? So yeah. Holiday makes sure things different. Yeah, it's been a little strange. Bernard McAtoo, what's going on? Gonna wait for a little combo trade. So what really made me mad is that I took this combo trade late. I called it out on Discord, on our Discord. I just got back from a late breakfast, sat down, saw this combo trade happening, ended up hopping in late, caught a nice move off it, and then I kind of fell apart for no particular reason. I caught myself clicking the button, ended up going down on my account in through this, and then ended up catching the short and got my money back. So then but it could have ended really bad, because if we didn't get that dump, I don't know. I don't know what would happen with the account, but yeah, the account was pretty much unchanged for the day. I was down when I say the account, I'm talking about this pro, down 78 bucks. So we take a look at the calendar before. So 6,800 on day 1, 2,500 on day 2. And then what sucked is I was up over $2,000 today, and then end up giving it back. So that's what kind of sucked. And it almost sent me tilted. But not too bad. So I still do dumb stuff too. Hey, what's up, Mahmood in the house? Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. Uh, 150K seems like a hack. I should try it. Bluetooth 25K evals today. Risk 2 minis, gone in seconds. Oh yeah. 2 minis on a 25K. If you're not on momentum, if you didn't catch the momentum without drawdown, 2 minis on a 25K in this type of volatility will cook you for sure. Definitely was tilted today. There was no reason to risk heavy when PA was asked. Yeah. So you know when you're tilted when you're not trading your edge. That's when I know I'm tilted. So when I'm not trading an edge and being patient and waiting for a setup of any type, then I know I'm tilted. Like if I'm not waiting for like a break, a combo break or something like that, that's when I'm tilted. I buy an account and then I go, oh, I think we're going down. And I just push button, push the button. I go sell, max contracts. And then sometimes you get lucky and then sometimes it doesn't. And at the end of the day, it's really not sustainable to do that. So, hey, what's up, Golden Eagle in the house? What's up? Hey, where's Digital Nukes at? Digital Nukes in the house? Probably not even here. No one's even seen my alien yet. Hey, what's up, Aero Mac Trader? Check out the alien. The Golden Eagle has landed. Let's go. Apple, what's up? Chris, thank you so much for the sub. Yeah, over 8,000 subs, guys. Thank you so much. Headed for 10,000. I know, Digital Nukes is not even around, and here I am. I got an alien back there. Hey, what's up, Sam? Tony Lane's in the house. This is Digital Nukes is one of our there he is. Yeah, he sensed it. He's got UFO. He's got the UFO sense going on. Yeah, check it out. Little alien. I thought it was cool. It was like $6 on Temu. And I was like, oh, it lights up too? I'm like, that's cool. Throw that on the shelf. Okay. All right, we're getting that push down here. 30,061. Took a little scalp trade here. We're going to wait for another setup. Let's take a look at gold here real quick. Gold kind of chopping around. Gold's been kind of lame during Globex this week. Really kicking myself this morning. I took a beautiful long on My Funny Futures TV. Pretty much caught the low of the day on YM and did not hold it because of news that was coming out, and caught a little blip, like $200, and it never looked back. I mean, it's crazy. It just shot right up. That was YM this morning. If you guys didn't catch the roundtable on My Funny Futures TV, that was a lot of fun. I like doing that. Hour and a half stream, but not too bad. Picked up one of these floor lamp things, these fluorescent LED floor lamps, and it got soaked. Got rained on. So hopefully it dries out. It's not ruined, but if it is, I'll send it back. Don't know if I need it though. I got enough lights going on. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. 50K Lucid Flex account. W Golden Eagle. Yeah, let's go. I summoned them. Yeah, I did. Anyone got any big plans for the weekend? You guys gonna do any barbecuing? It's the 4th of July here in the States. 4th of July weekend. Probably watch some World Cup. That's my plan. World Cup, barbecue, beer testing. Gonna try to do something fun, maybe. I don't know. Maybe go to a baseball game or a soccer game or some sort of festival, a concert or something. That'd be kind of neat. Get away from the charts. Captain Rex in the house. All right, made a new low here. What is this? Yeah, we started just pushing down. Really no surprise. I mean, overall, market looking very bearish today. It sold off pretty good and finished on its low, which is usually a pretty bearish sign going into Globex, unless you get some sort of news or good beer testing. Is what you're gonna do. World Cup fireworks, no charts. Yeah, nice. Digital nukes, same with me. Yeah, World Cup fireworks, barbecue. One of my local gentlemen's club for America. Let's go, Apple. Fireworks, barbecue, beers, round of golf, maybe some fishing. Let's go. That's America right there. We're making ribs on Sunday due to the Mexico-England game. Oh, nice, Jesus. That should be fun. Yeah, Mexico's exciting. Mexico's exciting because, you know, they're playing some games in Mexico, so it's very, very exciting. I saw some pictures of when they won last time, the last game. It was insane. World Cup drinks and maybe some food. Yeah, everyone's into the World Cup this year. It's awesome. I want to go to one of those watch parties, the USA watch parties. That'll be fun. Maybe I'll see if I can find one of those. If the weather's good, go to one of those outdoor watch parties. Get mixed in with the crowd. Mexico's on beast mode. Yeah, for sure. My birthday's on the 4th. Oh, nice. Trader Moe's. Yeah, my grandfather's birthday was today, June 1st. He just passed away, though, a few months ago. Passed away in February. But, yeah, today it was his birthday. It was pretty easy to remember. July 1st. I mean, July 1st. So, it's all good. Looks like a bear flag. Yeah. Yeah, it's looking pretty bearish here. I'm waiting for some sort of engulfing candle, or we're already up on the account. I want to try to build upon it. So I'm just waiting for a setup here. Weather in the Northeast is spotty all weekend. Yeah, it is. Went to a watch party for it always seems to rain when you're able to take some time off. Went to a watch party for Korea versus Mexico. Almost got trampled. Too many people. Oh, wow. Yeah, I bet. Kenny Kim. Where was that? Was it in Mexico or Korea or someplace like that where the watch party was? Because I bet you that would be wild. Your father's birthday was today? Oh, no kidding, Big Cat. I'm in LA. Oh yeah, that's crazy. Belgium, Senegal now. England passed the test. Yeah, yeah. High population of Koreans and Mexicans. Yeah, I can believe it in Los Angeles for sure. Have I been watching the World Cup? Yeah, occasionally. Just not every game. A lot of the times the games are on when I'm streaming. So that game 1 in the evening is on like right now. But yeah, I watched the USA game the other day, and I've been watching the highlights on YouTube. Been watching the highlight clips. All right, get a little pop back up here off the low, 30,051. Back up over 30,073, headed for 30,080. YM doing nothing. Just kind of hanging around. YM got a little gap there. Is that a price gap? Let me refresh here. Yeah, I'll get a little price gap here on YM. YM eating at these single prints, zero prints up in here. Look, you had one lonely person that probably bought up here at 640. He's just praying for it to come back. Look at this. Just one. Who was this? Was this someone in my chat that bought up here? That lonely person. NASDAQ taking off here. squeezing. I kind of want to short YM, but there's no meat on the bone. Just into this gap here. 604s. NASDAQ taking off here. Gold doing nothing. Hey, what's up, Labarto? Doing good, man. That was you, Fo? You bought up there, YM? It's all right. It might come back and get you. It might come back. Yeah, I'm doing good, man. Thanks for asking. Not a bad day overall. Pretty much a break-even day. Adam, what's up? Ecuador team didn't sleep before the game. Yeah, that's not good. I didn't sleep much last night. I was up. I don't know, just kind of a toss and turn night. Ryan, what's up? Ryan Wiggins in the house. Okay. Looking for another trade here. I've taken one so far. NASDAQ is pushing back up. I don't really trust to just hop in long here. Short YM. I want to scale into it if I can get more up into here. See if we can just come back and fill this little price gap here. If I can get it. If not, it's just going to be a lame old $50 trade. But I'd like to scale in with a few minis. If it wants to push up back up into the zone. Something like up in here. And then scale in and then see if it rolls back down to that 604. Looks like it's coming down here. It's gonna be a little 10-pointer on YM if it's 11-pointer. See if it fills it on this next candle in about 20 seconds. Hey, what's up, Vanessa? I'm doing good. This is what I'm looking at, this little gap here in price. What's up? Did I trade NQ today? Crazy Wicks all day, it seems. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did okay, and then I ended up right around break even. So it was kind of a wash day. Down $78 on my Funded Futures Pro account, and made $4,500 on this account, which is just an eval, and then made $150. There's that price gap fill. I was kind of hoping to get into more than one contract on that, but just a little scalp in that little gap there. It's kind of a nuanced thing where I just had a feeling it wouldn't hold. Oh, we got a little inside-outside bar here combo, an NQ. But yeah, I was up $2,000. So that's what sucks. I was up $2,000 on my pro. Ended up giving it back to break even. So a little W there for on YM. So 2 for 2 right now. We got an inside outside bar in a 2-minute. I'll probably take it if it breaks, but not much volatility. So currently up $515. So it's the top of that wick's right at 100. So the projection on NAS halfway up to yesterday's candle. Interesting, huh? Interesting. Hey, Alpha Lupo, do you know why I can't have CVD trade of 8 on using my fund futures, but it works fine? CVD. Trade of 8 using my funded futures. CVD. What's CVD? I'm drawing a blank here. But if I use Apex TPT, it works fine. Cumulative volume delta. Oh, I don't know. That's weird. Yeah, you would think you'd be able to. All right, if we break 100, I'm going long. Boy, it's just chopping here. Got a inside, outside, inside. What do you do with this? I guess if we break, I guess if we break 390s, 391, I'm gonna go short. No, he meant CVD, cumulative volume delta. Yeah, I don't know. That's weird. I could check mine here in a second. All right, I'm long. I don't know about this, though, to be honest with you. Risking 215. I'm up 515. I am long, but there's not much volume here. I should have waited till maybe we broke the 100 instead of just taking the break of that inside. But normally I'd place a stop right at this inside bar here at 91, which I might do, which I will do if we get a little push. So if we start to push up towards these single prints, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna trail my stop under 91. So there's a break of 100. So here's the combo trade. Come on, let's do it for the stream. Yeah, wicked rate back down. Yeah, not much momentum in this. I don't like that reaction there. Come on, get your ass up there. We do have some zero prints up in here. 107, 108, 108.50, 108.75. You might want to test that area. Kind of a gap right there. We got a single print right there, so it's a bit of a price gap. Let's see if it wants to fill that for a little scalp. All right, I'm gonna trail my stop a bit. Just really tight stop. Only 8-point stop. Ugh, come on, man. Slammed right back down. I'm gonna be upset if it takes me out right here and then pops right back up. Moving my stop. 88.25, just below that outside bar. Give it a little breathing room. Still risking 225. Wiki, down wicks here. Exclamation point Pine if you want to join the giveaway. Lucid Flex 50K up for grabs. Gonna do a moose race. Here's another outside bar. Kind of bull flagging here. See if we get some traps here. Some bear traps. Yeah, it's struggling trying to get above that 30,100 at the moment. There we go. This buyer stepping in there and out. All right, up 675 now. So little iffy there. We zoom right in. So we had that inside, outside, inside. This is a combo trade. Normally, I would place the stop just below this inside bar. But I talked about that last night, where last time I did that, I ended up getting stopped out and it went my way. And it literally did the same. It would have done the same thing. I was very lucky not to get stopped out. So I ended up moving my stop below this outside engulfing candle. And I really wasn't risking that much more. So I'm glad I did that, because this is the same thing as it did to me last night, where I placed a stop. Now, normally during New York, when there's a little more volume, I would place it here, and it once it broke, it would just, with the volatility, it would just take off with the momentum. In an ideal world, that's what it does. It's not much drawdown. But this was a little game that it played. So, anyways, it was still a dub, still a win. So 3 for 3 tonight. Up 675, slinging it around. Close one, though. Who else we got in the chat? What's going on? Real Robot, long, good luck. No volume now. It's kind of crappy. Exclamation point Pine in the chat for a Lucid 50K giveaway. Maine's most famous UFO story. Deep in the northern Maine wilderness at Eagle Lake, 4 campers. The Allagash 4. Oh, interesting. Yeah. Eagle Lake. Up in the Allagash. There's all kinds of weird stuff that happened up in the Allagash. You know what I'm saying? A lot of the people look like aliens up there. No offense if you're from the county. Have y'all been hitting the like? Smash that like button. Find Peak in the house in breaking that high. That is the trade stars. Nice one. Thank you, Solo Trader. And pulling right back in here. Pulling right back in. All right, so yeah, market looking like it's trying to get a little relief bounce from the power hour sell-off. Oh yeah, I was gonna look at the Delta for someone. I'll pull up the My Funded Futures account here. All right, here's the My Funded Futures account. Let's go to the community indicators. Volume. Delta. Let's see. So the cumulative volume delta. Yeah, I don't know. It should be like if any of the indicators, it should be able to pull it right up. I'm not sure which one you had, but yeah, that's very strange. It's not anything you need a subscription for, so it doesn't make any sense. Hey, what's up, Jay Styles in the house? What's going on? What's up? What's up? Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. Currently up. What are we up? 675. And pulled right back in here. So not much follow through on the breakouts. Gonna wait for another combo trade on the 2-minute. Why do I have natural gas up there? What the heck is that about? ES also up at its high. YM just kind of puttering around here. Not much movement on gold yet. So we're just sitting around waiting. It'd be nice if TPT was instant results like Lucid. Yeah, it would be. They're pretty fast though. It used to be a lot longer. It used to be like a day. So, matter of fact, so when it comes to payouts, my funded futures is the fastest. Lucid is right there, right behind it, but my funded futures very, very fast. Almost instant. It's kind of crazy. Tradeify is also very fast. 133 likes. We need 250 likes. We'll try a little inside outside on a 2-minute. Well, yeah, it actually kind of is. It didn't highlight it though, did it? Oh, it's because I have equal highs on the NQ. I bet MNQ is different, huh? Yeah, MNQ is different. Kind of like it though. See if I can get tagged in long here. I kind of like it because we have those equal highs up there. So thanks for pointing that out. 113. Gonna stop down at 101. It would be cool if we ended up breaking these highs and it pops back up to that 20 area. Maybe I'll look for a little more than just a little baby scalp. If we break 113 though, I might trail the stop. Keep that stop rate at 100. A little harami here on the 2 minute. I hate that. Come on, bulls. Hold it up. Let's go. Tempted to take this on my Lucid fundeds, but I'm not going to. Just to see if I can get my $100. All right, there's a little break of that harami. See if it fails here. Kind of hoping it does. So we have an inside outside bar combo on the micro. Didn't show up on the NASDAQ NQ, but we do have an equal high up there, 113 on the 2 minute chart. Fall asleep to this price action, man. When you it's just crazy that this Globex this week has just been very. There's been some decent moves, but it's been kind of lame. I've seen it a lot worse where you have no movement and just barcodes for 2 hours. I've seen that. Talk about just a nightmare when you're hosting a trading show. When the market does not move one bit. Peachy Futures, yeah. He likes to lurk. I don't listen to anyone when I'm streaming. I appreciate him listening in on the stream. Yeah, I never... I listen to the music that I'm playing. It's too distracting for me. I don't know. I just can't do it. I tried. So we got those equal highs up there. It's obviously going to mess with us until it goes and takes it out. Just barcoding here. Just very, very choppy. All right, swept that low of that previous candle. Can we get a little pop here? We got 2 inside bars on the 5 minute. That shows you how choppy it is right now. Just barcoding right around this 100 level. 105. What's up? Alfred in the house. You trading the APM? Yeah, I think so. Unless this market, I mean, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Planning on streaming until 8. Holding longs, nice. Good luck. Looks like we're gonna get stopped here. All right, stopped here. We got those equal highs up there. I'm still looking to take this bad boy long. Maybe we'll just get in a little bit lower here. I don't know what it is. Like every time I try to target like equal highs and things like that, it always I never seem to get in at a good spot to take those out. It always does this. Let's see, still up 510 here. So a little stop out there, no big deal. But rolling over here. Off the double inside bars, 5 minute. Hey, just passed your Rapid account? Oh, let's go. The nice thing about the doing that, Kingdom, is you can activate it right now. Pop over YM if you have some slow gappy action. I've been trading YM there in New York because the NQ's still volatile. That's been great, especially today. Oh yeah, so you've been trading YM during the New York. I did place a trade on YM already tonight. But yeah, I agree with you. It's very, very slow. It's almost impossible to trade during Globex for entertainment purposes. If I want to lose all my subscribers, I'll just trade YM. All my viewership. But yeah, for sure. All right, pulling back here. Price action has changed. NQ used to smash equal highs. It's all game now. Yeah, I know. That's the last few times I've tried to go for that, Nate. Crazy. Yeah, I get burned every time. Thankfully, it was just, I had a nice stop, and the little combo trade on MNQ did not work. So the thing about so I always chart on NQ, but it doesn't mean that this wouldn't have worked too. So I think it's one of those wash. It's almost like slippage. There's always positive slip. Sometimes there's positive slippage and sometimes there's negative slippage. At the end of the day, it kind of washes one from the other. MNQ. I always look at NQ when I chart, even if I trade MNQ. That's what I do on my back testing, but it doesn't mean anything, it doesn't mean anything. But this time it didn't show it because it was equal high, and then NQ swept that high barely by 50 cents, I think. 50 cent, what up? And then pulled back. So it'll be interesting if I can catch a long back up to that upside and take out those equal highs. That'll be a target that I'm going to be interested in the back of my head now. Who's winning the World Cup? Well, I did pick France for no particular. I was in one of those pools and I picked France, but I'm rooting for Team USA, and it'd be cool to see, man, if Messi can win another one, that'd be awesome, but who knows? Belgium just won? Oh, nice. Canada Real Robot? Oh, yeah. Happy Canada Day, right? Today's Canada Day. I know all you Canadians are over there watching Stock Tiger, but happy Canada Day. Team Mexico, Cato, let's go. Love it. Senegal got robbed. Imagine if the final ends up in America and Iran. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know what the potential matchups going forward could be, but all right, we get a little bounce here. This would be a nice potential long here. If we get a little break above 93, I might actually try to take this. See how this candle closes here. I might take this 10-point stop. So I got that stupid bias in my head now. Might even wait for this 5-minute to close. We do have top of the hour here in 3 minutes as well. Oh, come on, tag me in. I'm long. I'm long off 90, 50. I got that little bit of a bias that those equal highs are up there, but like Nate says, it doesn't have to go up and take them out. Not yet. It could be London Open, for all I know. Go up and take out those highs, but I'm not even going to look for it. Boy. This is the part of the show where I'm up pretty good to start, and then I start to fade. So this is a good time to start fading me. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. This is I start off the stream on fire, and then it slowly starts to degrade. So stop at 80, 50. Kind of testing this wick here. New 5 minute. 5 minutes before the top of the hour as well. See what happens here. Maybe we trap some bears on that little move down. Woo! Wow. What was that? All right, up 705 now. We'll take it. Equal highs are probably in play here. Trying to hop in here. Come on, get me in here. Come on, man. See if we can scalp up to that high there. We should take out those equal highs now. I hope. I'm in 12 micros. Oh yeah, look at that inside bar, the outside bar rip. So kind of FOMOing in here to see if we take out those highs. I will scale in this. I will scale a bit in this. I don't even know if what that was. I don't know. I don't think that was English. I will scale in on this. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. 50K Lucid Flex. Smash the like button too. I want to get 250 likes before we do that giveaway. I might even run 2 giveaways tonight, one for members only as well. So not so sure I want to stream tomorrow night. I'm not sure. Might try to actually take a long weekend after My Funded Futures TV tomorrow morning. I sort of need the mental break. Come on, I want to see this NASDAQ break, or it's going to break my mental. Get up there. Just tag 113.75, 113, something like that. Up in here. There it is. Tagged out of 3. Little spike. Stops to break even on the runners here. So took out those equal highs on NQ. Finally, after it really tried to fake everyone out. Just got 3 micro runner here. See if it wants to squeeze. Top of the hour here in 1 minute. Will it pop the top, or is it going to pull back to hit my break-even stop-o? So we can get that squeeze up to the 20s. Yeah, I mean, if it wants to keep pushing up through this high, I wouldn't be a bit surprised that it don't run what we dumped off during the power hour, the after MOC. Not power hour. All right, stopped out. It's all right. It's new top of the hour. All right. So where we're at, 778. Got a little more out of that trade. Not bad. Am I missing something on that pop? I had 10 micros for 10 points. Shouldn't that be 200 bucks? Yeah. Might have been slippage or commissions. That was some weird slippage. Hey, what's up, Kato? Good call on equal highs. Thank you, Coach Fred. Yeah, it tried to burn me, but... And there we are, pulling right back. Top of the hour. 1 hour for the Tokyo Open. You want me to put a horizontal line at 132? $132. There's your horizontal line. Hey, what's up, A Patriots in the house? Ryan Wiggins blew my funded earlier today. Now I have to start over. Oh, man. Good evening, Montclair, New Jersey. Simplistic videos in the house. What's going on? What's up, Tim Korth? What's going on? What's up? Who else we got in the house? Cursorator, what's happening? I never know how to say your name. Cursorator. I think it's Cursorator. All right, it's doing overall, it's doing the slow grindy grind. Overall. It's just kind of grinding tonight. Grinding. I mean, little scalps here and there, but it's not really doing too much. Hey, what's up, Mighty Mouse in the house? Woo, what's up? Woo in the house. What's happening, man? Yeah, I hope everyone had a good day. So I had a pretty good day overall, except I gave back about $2,000 in profit and finished my Funded Futures Pro at break even today. Not a big deal. Still up around 9,000 bucks. Methodical Man is trying to convince me not to trade the thing and go for the payout, but he's probably right. I just need to not overtrade it. That's the problem. And then a little base hit on the Lucids. Hey, what's up, Spaces in the house? Spaces. All right, 30,096.25. All right, let's wait for another setup. So I'm taking quite a few trades tonight. Let's see how many trades we've taken. 9 trades. $77% tonight. 9 trades. Average winning trade 138, average losing trade 80. That's not bad. A little 1.5 R. Don't we all overestimate the control we have over our impulsions? Yeah. So that's exactly what I've been doing, Fred. It's a lot of impulsive trading. It's a lot of trading out of boredom. Greed, things like that. It's not been good. I'm thinking about just taking 1 trade a day on that account now. Ooh, I just blinded myself. I was looking into the light over here. I literally just blinded myself. For some reason, the little hair light that I have that shines on this side just changed settings for some odd reason, and I have a remote right here for it, and all of a sudden it just got real bright for a second. And need glasses so you don't burn your eyes out, Eddie Sargent. You're probably right. I actually had some blue light. I had some blue light glasses that I wore when I first started streaming, because I went to the doctor's office and they were like, my eyes were killing me. And so I went to the doctor's office just to have my eyes checked and everything. And they were like, no, it's just from overuse of computer screens. So I do have my screens like way down in the dull territory, the blue light filter, all that good stuff. But I probably should get some glasses. Anyway, so I had them on, and then my sister was making fun of me. Said I looked like such a nerd with them on. You just got a glare reduction screen cover? Yeah. You can feel the near holiday volume. I agree, Fred. Non-farm payroll tomorrow morning, which is interesting. But then after that, I don't really know what to expect. So the volume just kind of dying out and really twitchy. You saw it on that spike where it's just a low volume spike. There was probably like a big buyer that just popped in there and took that thing higher. I mean, it's just weird. Maybe we pull back down here in the 70s. This area here. You get a headache if you don't wear your blue light blockers? Yeah, I do too. So I do get a headache occasionally if I overtrade. If I sit there all day, it's guaranteed that I will have a headache at the end of the day. Guaranteed. If I during just a few hours, 2 hours a day while I'm streaming, I'm pretty good. But anything longer than that kills me. That's why like the monitors I have are just Acers, and they're nothing fancy. The real nice monitors that kind of glossy and have a lot of high definition and really pop, they're super nice. But when I look at them for any length of time, it just kills my eyes. So I actually prefer the kind of the cheaper monitors. And I noticed that when I got a really nice TV once. So I got a super nice TV, and it had really, really sharp images and had that almost glass screen look, you know? And it bothered my eyes. It took me a while to get used to it. Now I just buy the cheapest. I buy the largest TV that fits in the space that I'm putting it in, but I buy the cheapest one that has has Roku built into it and has a talk remote. So, or yeah, it has the button that you can push so you can talk to it. So that way, when I'm looking up stuff on YouTube, I can just say search Pine Tree Trader, and then it'll go to my YouTube. So I buy the cheapest one that I can afford, because they never last any longer. It's not like the dumb TVs. This new smart TVs, they don't last very long, that I found, even when I buy an expensive one. But the dumb TVs used to last a lot longer. Smart TVs are just throwaways, it seems like. So if there's a TV on sale, I would just buy the biggest one that fits in that I can afford. Rich millionaire bomba clap pine? No, I'm talking like I'll buy like a $350 TV. It's like the cost of like 2 evals. Like, I don't care. It lasts 8 years. I'm lucky if I can get like 4 or 5 years out of them before that starts to slow down and do weird things. Like the TV I got right now, I think I got a 65-inch Hisense. You know, it's a POS, but you know, it looks pretty decent. And I think it's probably two years old. And the bottom left of the screen is starting to go dark. Like the bottom, just like, I don't really notice it because, well, yeah. You got a 25-inch LG 55-inch TV. It works great. 2018. Oh, wow. You got some years out of it. You got an 86-inch OLED. Nice. 4 years ago. Do you have a video on your channel discussing your setup for trades, 67 William? Yeah, I actually just did one. Yeah, just check out my long forms. But yeah, I just did a video on one of my setups, combo trade, actually just playing out right now. Yeah, this is a combo trade right here on a 2-minute. Actually, maybe I'll throw a mini on here just for the fun of it. But this is a combo trade. I like taking this during New York and during this Globex session too. A lot of times it doesn't, I would say it doesn't work as well during Globex when there's low volume. But this is one of the trades, the videos I just made. It's called the combo trade. You have an outside inside bar combination on a 2-minute. My favorite setup, the more high probability, is on the 5 if you want to wait for that. But what I found lately is that on a 2-minute it can work pretty well. So we had a combo here. I'm going short. If it was a reverse, where if it was an inside outside combination, I would take the break of the outside bar. It's very similar to this trade right here, where I took, well, let's see, find you a better example. Right here. So like an inside outside combination where I take the break of the outside candle and then the stop goes above. So that's exactly the video I just made yesterday, so check that out. So there's a little scalp down into that gap off the inside, the outside inside bar combo. So there's another W there. So 877.50. That's it. I mean, that's as simple as that. That's literally the strategy. I know some people think it's more complicated than that, but it's not. And it's just something I observed one day by getting trapped. So by getting trapped on inside bar breaks like this, for instance, like I would have tried to take the inside bar break, it trapped me, and then it pushed back up. And oftentimes what I would do is I'd just flip the switch and go long off it. And so what I decided is like, well, let me just eliminate that altogether and just wait for the combo. So the video is in my long form. It's if anyone's interested. I just made it yesterday, and I tried to keep my strategy videos because I think they're, see, I try to keep them so short and sweet. 3 minutes, you know, and it's just quickly explaining it. I try to make them very, very simple, but here it is right here. And that picture right there is real. That's not even AI. And yes, I did eat that bag of combos after I took that picture. And it was delicious. Brought me back to my stoner childhood. How'd I do today? It was okay day. Yeah, it was okay. 150. So I took a payout on Lucid yesterday. I took a base hit on them today. Locked in my days traded, 150 bucks times 4. And then I was up $2,000 on my MyFunded Futures Pro and ended up giving it back. Finished the day negative $78. And then I hit 50% consistency on this take profit trader account evaluation, and that's it. Haven't seen those in forever. Yeah, I know. I had to go to the I don't remember. My girlfriend picked them up. I don't know where she got them. Target or something. Cracker and cheese combo. Yeah, you remember the ones, the Supreme Pizza ones? Hey, Unprofitable Wiz just locked in $6,000 payout tomorrow with Lucid. Let's go. See, he had a bad day with Take Profit Trader today, but then locked in a $6,000 payout with Lucid. So there you go, man. Congratulations. Smash the confetti for Unprofitable Wiz. Lost his Take Profit Trader daily payout accounts after taking $15,000 out of them on daily payouts. Lost them, felt bad, kind of tilted him, but just locked in $6,000 Lucid payout. So there you go. Have I tried Alpha Futures? I have not. I have not even bought an account with Alpha. I've never even set up an account. Thinking about it. Heard there's a little something going on with them right now. I don't really know what it is, but I still think that they're pretty decent firm. But yeah, I'm not really sure. If your only goal is to have the highest probabilities possible, what would you recommend? I'm struggling to become profitable, and I don't care if it's one trade a week at this point. Joshua trades. Yeah, I mean, highest probability, I would just look for, I would try to, I don't know what your issue is as far as like what you're struggling with personally. Just knowing that it's all kind of mental and that we all go through that. But maybe, like, I can't give you financial advice, obviously, but one of the things that I do when I start to struggle, when I really start to struggle, is I just try to go for like 1 to 3 trades a day. So if I can just take my best setups possible, knowing that I am limited to just 3 trades today, and stay super patient and take them, and then after that, those 1 or 2 trades, like maybe if I take 1 to 3 trades, that's usually because the first trade didn't work, so I might try another one. And then after that, it's like I just got to be done. And trying to walk away red is definitely what people struggle with most, is walking away red. And just trying to repeat that over and over and over again. I know it sounds easier said than done, but if you can just look for that best setup that you got and then take it, and then win or loss, move on to the next day. If you back test something and you know that at the end of, say, if you do a 3-month back test, 4-month back test or whatever, and you start trading it forward, testing it forward, but you're not actually taking that setup that you've tested and that you found, and you're doing all the other shit around it, because that's what usually what happens with me, is like I won't wait for a nice setup like this. I'll just do all the other shit that's around it, and that's what gets me in trouble. Like right now, like, do I think we're gonna take out that low? Yeah, I do. But should I click the button short right now? Probably not. But when I'm tilting and doing dumb stuff, what I'll do is I'll just start hitting the button. Like, I'll just like sell right here, having a little FOMO, and the next thing you know, it pops up to 80, and then I end up blowing an account or doing something dumb, you know? Like the main thing is, like, if I have that and I think, oh, we're gonna take out that 30,051, is to have gotten in here, had to stop up here where it should be, and then riding it down until here. But instead I just scalped out for this little gap fill, which is fine. I'm happy with it. It's just, you know, but when you do stuff like that, then you have to be done. You can't go and say, well, I'm just gonna keep pushing the button. I don't know. It's just little tips, I guess. It's tough because I don't know where, you know, what you're doing wrong. And everyone's different. That's the thing. And that's the thing with strategies too. This is why I always say, like, the strategies is only a small portion of what can get you to a payout or not. And it's because, like, I can tell you guys, well, here's the strategies that I like to take, and I know that they work well, but, you know, Captain Rex is gonna trade it differently than I am, and, you know, Mighty Mouse is gonna trade it differently too. You know, it's just because you're gonna go, well, I'm gonna take profit here, or maybe Mighty Mouse says, well, no, I'm gonna hold it down until we test 30,000 again. You know, that kind of stuff. So giveaway, yeah, it's coming. I'm giving away sauce, man. This is sauce. Coke and hoe. Coke and hoe. I mean, come on. That's all good. Yeah, it's giveaway tonight. exclamation point pine in the chat. How do I know what direction to go after an inside bar? So I literally, like right there. I don't care if it's a bullish or bearish candle. This is why my candles are black and are gray and white. I couldn't tell you what a shape of a candle, whether it's bullish or bearish. I have no clue. I don't have any clue. Doji candles, all that good stuff. I couldn't tell you what a morning star, evening star, brown star pattern is. I mean, I couldn't tell you. But what I look for is just whether or not it breaks that candle. So it breaks high or low. So if it goes below it, I'm going short. If it broke above this, I'm going long. So yeah. Do I have any little pines? No. No kids, no pets, no. I knew someone would catch that. I said when I said brown star. Crypto King. I knew someone would catch that. Wagyu beef downgraded. Yeah, for sure. But yeah, no, it's a good question. I'm not trying to like, you know, it's a good question because I often do get that question, and yeah, I don't really care like what. It always helps if it's trapping. So like where we trapped here. Where this candle went to, it tried to push up and then it came back down and put it in an engulfing 2-minute candle, and then it consolidated and then it continued on the path that it was going. That's always an easier trade, but sometimes it'll be the reversal here and it'll pop up in here and then it heads back up towards that high. So that's why I just kind of trade it like that. What's good, helpful house? What's up? And how's it called, that indicator? Oh, it's LDT inside outside bars on trade of 8. But yeah, by eliminating a lot of these trades now, outside bars on a 2-minute chart still work really well. You can see this one worked very well. This one worked very well. Just pop off this outside bar, and this looked like a bearish candle to me, and then it ended up trapping and getting a little pop off it. This outside bar worked very well too. Stop goes above, got a nice little dump down in there to the low, made the low there. But the combo trades for me, especially on a 5-minute, it's a pretty high probability. Now it doesn't work every time. You can see this one worked really well. Let's find one that didn't work, because this is what happens. Who was that? Someone asked a question about struggling. This is usually what happens. Anytime someone finds a strategy that they like, so whether it's an ICT strategy, you could be trading unicorns or IFEGs, or it doesn't really matter. But what happens is someone will try it. Let's see one that completely failed. So this one this one failed right here. So you had an inside outside bar right here. If you went short right here, you got just a few points. I mean, you still got a little bit of points, but you just got a few points, and then it immediately came back out, took out your stop, and then turned back down and kept going. So you know, you try a strategy like this, and the first time you trade it, it doesn't work, and you're like, F this, I'm not trading this, this is stupid. And you start pushing the button and doing other things. I know, I'm guilty of doing the same stuff. And then a few minutes later, you get an inside outside again, and you take it, and 410, your stop goes up in here, and then all of a sudden it's dump city, and just absolutely just the floor just falls out on the next trade. Because, you know, not every strategy, there's no strategy that's 100%. If there was, and boy, well, the only strategy that's 100% is you got enough money and you never stop yourself out. that's a 100% win rate trade. All right, guys, let's get ready to do a giveaway. Thank you so much. Yeah, just a little rant there, but I just hope that helps. Little stuff there. Let's see. Smash that like button. Where are we at with the likes? Let's check the likes. 215 people watching. Thank you so much for being here. Let's take a look at the likes. 190 likes. You guys are way off. You guys are asking for giveaways and you haven't even hit the like button. And let's check how many people are actually in the giveaway. So we got 348 people in the giveaway and we have 150 likes. No bueno, as Terry would say, no bueno. So let's get that like button up. 250 should be no sweat. We got about that watching. So if we get that up there to 250 likes, and I mean, really, it just helps out the channel. It helps push out the YouTube algorithm. I know when people hit the like button, that's what throws it on other people's feeds. That's how we get more subscribers. And more people use the code PINE, and then that means more giveaways. So thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it. Let's get that likes up. All right, only just a few more likes. Got 244. Thank you guys. Oh, let me get rid of some of these tabs. I start the stream with like 2 tabs, and then I end the stream with like 50. And I'm not 0 Day J. I can't keep them all and keep them all up there. Just like emails. So I have this thing with emails. Shotgun, yeah, we will. I have this thing with emails where I can't hold on to an email. Like I have to have my inbox cleared at all times. It's a weird thing. Is anyone else like that, or am I the only weird one? Because I see people with these emails, email boxes, and there's thousands of emails in there, and I always have to get rid of them, you know? All right, guys, thank you so much for the likes. Let's do a quick shotgun here, just to freshen up the giveaway. Exclamation point PINE in the chat. Alfred, you're the same. You have to delete your emails. I know. I said that on to Tom and Terry the other day on stream, and they looked at me like I had 3 heads. I was like, nah, I have to clear my inbox all the time. At least 5 times a day, I'm checking my email and clearing them all. Exclamation point PINE in the chat. Let's do it. Let's do a quick giveaway. And then we're going to do a members only giveaway. So if you're a member, let's see how many people we got watching. We currently have 212 people watching. So we get to 200. Just about 200, I'm going to stop the giveaway. So make sure you get it in here. Exclamation point PINE in the chat. All right, we're just consolidating down here at the low. 30 minutes before the Tokyo Open. Had a pretty good night so far. Up 877.50. Not a bad start. Hey, Barbie, what's up? Saw you there for a second. How was my day? It was okay. Yeah, I lost my profits from My Funny Futures, but finished the day right around break even. So slightly red, and I was quite proud of myself to walk away. So that the pro account's still up good. Lucid accounts are still good. And now I'm working on getting my 5 Take Profit Trader accounts. Code PINE for Take Profit Trader. Get those daily payouts. If you guys want to try to get those. We had someone in the chat that says they had 5 accounts, got $15,000 in daily payouts in the last few weeks. So 1 minute stop entry. All right. Well, I was actually looking at the users. All right, we're closing entries here. Let me refresh. I think we got everyone in. Oh yeah, we're good. 220 people watching. We got 220 people. 226 actually. Let's do a moose race. I probably ought to pull up the moose race. All right, let's do that moose race. And then we're gonna do a members only race because I don't know if I'm gonna stream tomorrow. Don't know. I haven't decided. Tomorrow night, I will be streaming on My Funny Futures tomorrow morning. All right, let's get that moose race fired up. All right, good luck, everyone. Let me shuffle the characters here. Let me get my moose race hat. Actually, it holds on my head better when I do that. Okay, here we go. Good luck. Let me shuffle the characters one more time. All right, here we go. Good luck, everyone. Outside 3 inside bars on the 2-minute. Missed it. That's all right. Kind of one of those deals. I go to the well too many times and eventually you're gonna lose some of the profits. Up 860 tonight. I think I'll hold on to that for a little while. Helpful out to an early lead here. That's never a good sign though. Who's it gonna be? 44 seconds. Helpful G on the inside lane. Teachable, blasting his way up to the lead. Rosanna, Chronos charts. Here we go. Helpful's just lurking here. He's about ready to hit the boost. Heather. Oh, Gangmaster. I think it's DCA Gangmaster. 15 seconds. Who's it gonna be? It's a tight race. Look at all these Mises. Come on, come on. 5 seconds. Winner takes all. 50K Lucid Flex account. Woo, who is this gonna be? Who is this? Miss Trend Surfer. And Lynn Z coming in second. Helpful coming in third. You were right there. You blew your nos just a little bit too soon. Miss Trend Surfer, congratulations. You just won yourself a 50K Lucid Flex account. Let's go. Oh, right there, Miss Trend Surfer, congratulations. Miss Trend Surfer, are you in the Discord by chance? Congratulations. Ooh, look at the market just sell off here. We had some nice consolidation, little bear flag break. Anyone take that short off those inside bars? Combo, like a massive combo there. Beautiful. You're in a Discord? Oh, nice. What's your Discord name? So I know it's you. Congratulations. Yeah, that was a good short there. Another combo trade paying off. So nice little combo. So here's a combo. Here's another combo. Right? You don't go in until you break an inside bar. If you have an outside, inside, you just go on whatever inside bar breaks. And that was a nice one. Nice little drop off it for a scalp. All right, members, we will do a giveaway for you guys in a little bit. Is SK off tonight? I don't know. AJRF. All right. All right, see ya. All right, let me just take care of this real quick, and then we're gonna do another giveaway for the members. Pretending it's a members only Thursday, because I don't know if I'm gonna be on, but just do this real quick. All right, market's getting a little bouncy off 41. Tokyo Open in about 20 minutes. All right, Miss Trend, use that code for 50K Lucid Flex. And then you got to change your name to, you got to get a new badge for Pine. Come on, you got to get a new badge for Pine. What's up with that? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just joking. If you're in the Discord, you can get the little Pine badge. All right, let's do it members only. Hey, what's up, Bella? JLD 54 Sinister Scalper in the house. All right, let's do a members only here. Let's do a members only race. How do I do this? All right. Gonna give away another account here. All right. Members only. Second, go. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Members only. Let's do a fun members only race here. Let's see what we can find. Let's try this one. I haven't tried this one yet. All right, guys, I'll give you guys just a few. Wow, 36 members. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for the support there. I'm actually going to do something fun here and after we do this race. All right, closing entries here. All the members in. Last chance. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Closing entries here. All right, let's do it. And all right, shuffling the characters here. 3, 2, 1, go. Good luck. Here we go. Who's it gonna be? We got the dog race going on. Morally, I'm not really for it, but kind of looks cool on the screen. Ooh, we got Mala up to the lead. We got Moses, Apple fighting for that 1 and 2. Man, they are cooking. I wonder how many people left after that last giveaway. They're gonna regret it. They're gonna regret it. All right, Cannon. Members only, Big Cat. Foe out to a lead here, 18 seconds. Can they hold it? Oh, but here comes the pack. The pack is taking over. They're going, 7 seconds. Ooh, this is a tight race. Oh, looks like Lolly. Lolly? Let's go, Lolly. Oh, Jay Styles. So close. Trader Moe's in third. See who finished last here real quick. Visible ID in last place. But Lolly, congratulations. Congrats. Now, let's see. I want to try something fun here. Lolly, all right. Lolly, are you in the Discord by chance? No one leave. Don't leave yet. I'm gonna try something here. I believe I am. All right. What's your if you know your Discord name, go ahead and let me know. Don't use Discord often. All right, well, here. I'll just do my email. PineTreeTrader207@gmail.com. PineTreeTrader207@gmail.com. Send me a screenshot of your channel so I know it's you, Lolly. Just, there's my email. And, yeah, just, do just a little screenshot like this so that way I know it's you, and then I'll get you that code. Okay, this is gonna be different. I'm gonna try this. Let's see how many OGs we got in the house. Let's see how many OGs we got in the house. Exclamation point Pine. Let's see. Hold on. Exclamation point Pine. Let's see. Let me try this. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you've been a subscriber. Let me turn it on first. If you've been a subscriber for more than 6 months. And I think some members, like some of the members. So if you've been a subscriber for more than 6 months. This is for a Apex account. So this is for an Apex account. Let's go. I'll give this just a few minutes here. I got 51 people in here. So if you've been a subscriber for more than 6 months, you're in it. Yeah, this is for an Apex account. Happy 4th, everyone. We're having a little party tonight. Well, if you're a member too, I think if you're a member, you're good to go. So members getting another chance here. So members getting another chance. They're paying for that right. They're paying for the right to party. Happy 4th. Let's go. Wow, quite a few of you. 83 of you. It's more than I thought. All right, I'm gonna give this another 20 seconds here. I'm gonna wait for the timer to hit 2 minutes, and then I'm closing entries here. This is for an Apex account. All right, that's 2 minutes. All right, closing. 89 of you. Not bad. All right, let's do another race here. All right, shuffling characters. Good luck. Fired it off. I gotta get my notepad. Hold on. Good luck. Good luck, everyone. We gotta use code PINE. I love this. That's a real OG fan right there. I got my notepad. All right, who's it gonna be? Oh, Adam Daz. Can they hold the lead for 5 seconds? Oh, wow. Adam Daz. Congratulations. Congratulations, Adam Daz. Let's go. Just won yourself an Apex account. Congratulations. Let's do it again. I'm gonna try this. All right, let's do something else. Let's do. Let's do 1 year. Let's do 1 year subscribers for another Apex account. All right, let's see who's in here for 1 year. Adam Daz, hit me up on the Discord. Hit me up on the Discord, Adam Daz. I'm sure you're in the Discord. Let's see who's been here for a year. Let's go. Hey, what's up, Uncle Mo in the house? Good to see you. All right, a little bit less people here. It's kind of fun. Oh, geez, that's right. Oh, geez. Once again, members, I think, have an advantage, but that's okay. Well, actually, a lot of these members, the members and mods are mods because they've been around a long time. So got about 30 tickets in here. I'll give it 1 more minute here. Oh, geez, that's right. How many subs did I have 1 year ago? I don't even know. Probably... Whoa! Uncle Mo in the house with a gifted donation. It's Canadian Day, so 169.69. Very fitting. Thank you so much. Let's give it up for Uncle Mo in the house. Happy Canadian Day. Happy 4th of July, everyone. All right. Closing entries. 33 of you. So we've got some OGs here. A lot of members. All right, let's do another race. This is for another Apex account. Thank you so much, Mo. Cheers to that. That's going to definitely buy some bears for the 4th of July. Thank you. Wow. All right, here we go. OGs right here. Shuffling characters. Here we go, here we go. I love shorting NQ out in the inside lane. NQ Dark Lord. I love My Funded Futures Goaty. I like that. Who is it going to be? 20 seconds. Trades by Neo. Definitely an OG. Shown an OG. Yeah, you guys are all too old to trade. Sorrel. Real Robot. Digital Nukes. Visible ID. It's Mo, bro. Wow. NQ Dark Lord. Snuck past to take the win. Congratulations. You just won yourself an Apex account. There you go, NQ Dark Lord. Are you on Discord? Being an OG, you probably are. Don't know, though. Congrats, winners. What's your Discord name, NQ Dark Lord? Adam Daz, are you in the Discord too? Adam Daz. Probably already hit me up. Yeah, you already hit me up. Sent the email, Lolly. Okay, I'll answer that as soon as I get finish stream here. Adam Daz, I got your DM. NQ Dark Lord. You're in the Discord. What's your screen name on the Discord? Yes, everyone. I want to wish everyone a safe weekend, and appreciate it. Appreciate everyone's support. Thank you guys for using code PINE. I will be on My Funded Futures TV tomorrow morning, and to NQ Dark Lord too. Okay. Yeah, try to send me a DM, NQ. If not, I'll try to find you too. As soon as I finish stream here, we'll settle up and get you guys that stuff. Anyways, you guys have a good 4th. Happy Canadian Day, or Canada Day. Make sure you spend some time with friends and family, right? Because you never know. I always say this, but you never know the last time you're going to see them. So make sure you give your loved ones a big old hug. And I'll see you guys next week for sure. I'm probably going to, 9 times out of 10, I'm 99% sure I'm going to take tomorrow night off. Matter of fact, I'm going to take tomorrow night off. But I will be on My Funded Futures tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. If you guys want to, if you still miss my face. And we'll sling some contracts tomorrow morning. But have a very safe weekend. Enjoy the time off and be safe. And thank you for using code PINE. I appreciate all of you. And that's it for me. Thank you so much. Nice trading tonight, up 877.50. So nice little trading. All right, guys. See you guys later. Peace. Later. Thank you, Mo, for the donation. Really, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Peace.
Eyes on the candle, market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, tell the doubt disappeared. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the pine tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex Trader 5, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine tree trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5. Keep it lucid, we out.